Today I'm going to do an experiment with you guys, okay? So this is the newly cut soap that I made 24 hours, 48 hours in. But have you wondered how long it will take to kill? For this recipe here that I have, it's very high in water. So I don't know how long it's going to take me to kill this this batch here. But I'll do an experiment with you guys, okay? So I'll take one piece. Take this one, okay? I'm going to make this one. Okay, I'm gonna weight it, record it, and I'm gonna weigh it every day for the next 30 days to see how long it will take me to see any changes in this circle bar here. Okay, so let me weigh it first. 108, okay? 108, okay? So 108, and I'm gonna mark it with a rubber band, okay? Rubber band doesn't weigh much, so 108 is my marking, okay? So I'll use this rubber band as a test recipe, okay? So add to the rubber band 109, okay? So 109. So let's see how long it will take for this bar, the water to evaporate out of the system. Okay, so this big piece, 134. Okay, let me do two tests. Okay, if it's a cut that is bigger, will evaporate, the water evaporate faster or not. Okay, so we do two tests. One is small piece, okay, 109. This one, 134. Okay, and I will do a weight every day for the next 30 days, or depends how long. But usually with a normal recipe, right, it takes about 4 to 8 weeks, depends on how much water you have, okay? So with this experiment, I'm gonna try to replicate to see how long it will take for these two bars to kill, okay? So we have 109, 134, okay? I'll be killing this at the same time in my rack, normal rack, indoor. Okay, indoor, okay, I use indoor, my normal summer weather. So just see how long it will take to kill these two bars. Could be an interesting exercise, I don't know. But we'll see and go from there, okay? Just a little experiment you can do for yourself. My name is Ciao. I'll see you next time with another video on soap making, hopefully, or something else. I don't know.